Christmas Crack Up. Envision an Elfy new you, grounding yourself with empowerment in an unstable world. And for the new year, let's stand up to stress, success supercharge, and time to reclaim your life. Christmas Crack Up. Science of comedy, how to write Christmas cracker jokes, and how to tell jokes, all spruced up and made Christmassy. We've also got a non-festive version, Make 'em Laugh, and a corporate version where we pit teams against each other to come up with jokes, and it can be naughty or nice. Envision an Elfy new you. This is popular for the new year when everything slows down. It's a workshop on how to regain control of yourself and your life, and how to step up to the next level in every area of your life. It can be 20 minutes to an hour and a half, and we've already got advance orders for our other workshops, grounding yourself with empowerment in an unstable world. Let's stand up to stress, which includes physical activities rather than just a boring lecture format. Success Supercharge, which gives you techniques that you can use now to get the edge, and time to reclaim your life, which is how to scrap your to-do list and use a system that actually makes a massive difference. That's a really brief rundown just to give you a glimpse of what I'm offering this year and how we can help to create magical moments for your clients this Christmas and to fulfill their needs, whether it's for an exciting party, to unite teams across the world as a wind down from a busy year, to challenge guests and staff to use their heads, or even to give people the best possible chance to start 2022 on their terms and make immediate progress in the new year. So please, let me know if you'd like any more information on any of our offerings, to book events in to solve your clients' problems, and to give them an amazing experience this Christmas, or to propose ideas on how we can better meet your needs. So thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.